This is GMA DZBB Channel 7, a commercial TV station with 100,000-watt transmitting power, authorized under temporary permit number PSB-0723-2013, issued by the National Telecommunications Commission, valid until December 31, 2016. GMA studios are located at the GMA Complex, EDSA, corner Tinog Avenue, Biliban, Quezon City, Republic of the Philippines. The GMA transmitter station is located at Barangay Kulya, Tandansora, Quezon City. GMA Engineering is headed by Elvis B. Ancheta, Professional Electronics Engineer number 897. GMA transmission personnel is composed of electronics engineers, technicians, and first-class radio operators with license issued by the Professional Regulations Commission and the National Telecommunications Commission. Erwin R. Timbre, Electronics Engineer number 3650. Harold Kim D. Magaro, Electronics Engineer number 16782. Jonathan G. Salvo, Electronics Engineer number 19705. Joel M. Agu, Electronics Engineer number 40727. Gerald C. Arellano, Electronics Engineer number 49545. Rodrigo P. Quizon Jr., Professional Electronics Engineer number 875. Louis O. Shapenko, Electronics Engineer number 15586. Ralph T. Palma, Electronics Engineer number 29315. Glenn Anthony A. Baroga, Electronics Engineer number 37435. Raquel M. Espiritu, Electronics Tech number 305. RVP Cariaga, Electronics Tech number 603. Rafael A. Racelis, 94-1PNCR-11977. Inocencio Robert B. Manyago, 95-1PNCR-15029. Arnel D. Aricheta, 93-1PNCR-6617. Alan S. Manguba, 97-1PXI-20349. Chito G. Narbuada, 95-1PVII-13315. All programs telecast on this station have been approved by the Movie and Television Review and Classification Board. Seen via satellite in 52 stations nationwide. Luzon, GMA 7 Manila, TV7 Batanes, TV5 Ilocos Norte, TV48 Ilocos Sur, TV7 Abra, TV7 Tugigaraw, TV13 Apari, TV5 Mountain Province, TV7 Isabela, TV10 Benguet, TV5 Baler, TV10 Olongapo, TV12 Batangas, TV44 Halahala Rizal, TV13 Occidental Mindoro, TV12 Puerto Princesa Palawan, TV6 Brooks Point Palawan, TV8 Coron Palawan, TV7 Romblon, TV7 Masbate, TV7 Naga, TV12 Legazpi, TV13 Catanduanes, TV2 Sorsogon, TV8 Dayan, Visayas, TV5 Calbayog, TV8 Boronga, TV10 Tacloban, TV12 Ormo, TV2 Calibo, TV5 Rojas, TV6 Iloilo, TV13 Bacolod, TV30 Murcia Negros Occidental, TV7 Cebu, TV11 Bohol, TV5 Dumaguete, TV10 Sipalay, Mindanao, TV35 Cagayan de Oro, TV12 Bukidnon, TV4 Dipolog, TV5 Osamis, TV3 Pagadian, TV11 Inigan, TV26 Butuan, TV10 Surigao, TV2 Tandag, TV5 Davao, TV8 General Santos, TV9 Zamboanga, TV12 Cotabato, TV12 Olo. This is GMA, the Philippines' largest network. Now signing off.
Ang mga pamana ng ating kultura. Mula magulang sa anak hanggang sa susunod pang henerasyon. Sa paglipas ng panahon, sa tahanan at sa ating pakikitungo sa kapwa, nabubuo ang mga katangiang ating pinahahalagahan. Mga katangiang umuhubog sa ating pagkatao at sa ating pagiging Pilipino. Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas. Bayang magiliw, sa sinananan, alam ng puso, sa bibig mo'y